Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. After my previous episodes on how to make your own puff pastry and beef Wellington, a lot of you asked also for a sweet recipe. And when I think of puff pastry, I always think of palmier. And palmier, I as a Dutchie also know as a krakeling, and it's really delicious.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 sheets of puff pastry, 400 grams each. Go to my how-to video if you want to make your own, otherwise just use store-bought. Start by dusting your pastry with sugar. Now put the layers on top of each other and turn it around. Add some more sugar. Now roll the puff pastry into a long rectangle, and when the dough starts to stick, add some more sugar. Then fold the bottom a third way up and fold the top over. Now turn your dough 90 degrees and roll it into a long rectangle. Don't forget to add some more sugar. In this recipe, sugar is the key. Now fold each side in 2 and then fold both sides once more. Then close the book and cover it with plastic foil. Let this set in your fridge for at least 2 hours. Now remove the plastic and trim the edges. Then portion it into 1/2 centimeter slices. Lay them slightly apart on a silicone mold. Bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then 15 minutes at 170 degrees. Now turn the palmiers and bake them for another 15 minutes till golden brown. Then transfer them into an oven rack and let them cool down completely.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video, so like it and share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!